A very powerful tool that Microsoft SharePoint gives us is the alerting tool. The alerting tool basically allows us to receive a notification when an item or a list changes or is updated. You'll see the choices that you have for alerting in just a moment. So basically, what I want to set up here is I want a notification to be sent to me every time a new contact is added to this list because I want to keep on top of the contacts list in this particular site. Now to do so, I've opened the Contacts app, I go to the List tab, and I go to Alert Me, and I can set an alert on this list. When I click that, I can set a name for the alert. I can set the users who will receive that alert, which is really good because maybe I want other people to be on top of this or my whole team should be receiving alerts for this, so I can add additional users here. I have the delivery method, so whether it's email or text message. Now, text message is not enabled in this environment, but it's not too complicated to set up, and I could have SMS text message alerts sent out for changes to this list. Then it asks me here the change type. So, do I want any changes to cause an alert? Not necessarily, actually. I only want to know when a new contact is added. But I could choose only if an item is modified, or if something is deleted, that could be important as well. Next, I have an additional set of filters that I can set the alert. So I can do if somebody else makes a change, or somebody else changes something that was created by me, or if I wanted to keep on top of a particular view that changes that only affect a particular view, I could, for example, choose this. I've set up the Microsoft Employees view, and if I selected this, I would know if somebody creates a new contact that appears in the Microsoft view. But I want to keep on top of the entire list, so I'll keep this set to any changes. Finally, I can choose when to send the alert. So whether I want it sent immediately, a daily summary, or a weekly summary if I don't want to be receiving alerts all the time. But this list is important to me and I want a notification straight away. So if I press OK, now what will happen is if somebody adds a new item to the list, I'll receive an email and it'll actually give me a summary of the new contact that was added. It'll tell me the name and all the other fields that were filled out when the contact was added. Very importantly as well, I could add an alert to an individual record. So I could set Timothy Wilson, for example, I could set an alert on this record to know if that record changes or is deleted. And I can also click on this drop down and I can manage my alerts. So if I had multiple alerts here, it would show me all of them. I could create a new one or I could delete an alert if I was fed up of receiving that particular email.